Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Mailchimp audience data securely to a new account, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the transfer of your Mailchimp audience data, log in to your current Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the main dashboard. Select the audience you wish to export. Click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Choose the Export Audience option. Mailchimp will prepare your audience data for download. Once ready, you will receive an email with a link to download the file. Open the email and click on the download link. The file will typically be in CSV format, which is compatible with various applications. Next, log in to your new Mailchimp account. If you haven't created a new audience yet, do so by going to the Audience tab and selecting Create Audience. Fill in the required details for your new audience. After creating the audience, navigate back to the Audience tab. Click on the Import Contacts button. Choose the Upload a File option in the import process. Select the previously downloaded CSV file from your computer. Confirm the field mapping by ensuring that Mailchimp correctly aligns your data columns. Review the import details carefully. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Complete Import button. Wait for Mailchimp to process the import. Once done, you will receive a notification confirming the successful import of your audience data. Lastly, review your new audience to ensure all contacts were transferred accurately. Take any necessary steps to ensure compliance with data protection regulations. You have now successfully transferred your Mailchimp audience data to your new account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.